Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to view and download a dental estimate once it has been created in the diagnosis observation screen. An estimate is a quotation that is created for a patient to give them an indication of how much a treatment or procedure will cost. The quotation or estimate can be used to get the authorization from the medical aid or to provide patients to have an idea of how much they will have to pay for the treatment or procedure. From the diary screen, click on the patient's booking whose dental estimate you would like to view or download. Click on the dental button in the sidebar. The diagnosis observation screen will open. In the billing section, click on the estimate that you would like to view and or download. Click on the view button next to the estimate name in order to view the estimate. The estimate will open in the invoices details screen where the estimate can be viewed. Please note that no changes can be made on the screen. Click on the Close button to return to the diagnosis observation screen. To download the estimate, click on the Download button. The estimate will download to the computer as a PDF document. Click on the Close button to return to the diary screen. An attention pop-up will appear to inform the practitioner that there might be unsaved changes. Click on the Cancel button to cancel. Click on the OK button to continue to the diary screen.